Crazy dog, you crazy dog.
Such a bad idea.
Bienvenue and welcome to the adventures of Timmy Leger. This summer's forecast looks like a full sandport adventure as I travel 8,000 kilometers across the country on my bike to raise funds for children's cancer research and care and water development in Africa. This is the most recent on the adventure. Morning. Come here, Gus. Get over here. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Come on, come on. There you go. Good boy. Whoa, look at this. Is that lobster, buddy? Is it a little lobster? Gus, no. Look, cheese. Come on, man. Buddy. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no. Crazy dog, you crazy dog. Gus, where did you go? Gus, where are you, buddy? Is that good to drink? Bud? Okay, whatever, I guess. See you guys.
Is it gonna tie up okay? Bite? I need to take Timmy.
What's up, Kylie?
How's it going?
Good, you?
Wait, that's my cell phone.
Oh.
Are we gonna go cliff jumping or? You better be happy because if I was working anywhere else, I'd have to sleep today.
It's a blessing.
I felt guilty not listening to Drake.
All the love I need is at the rodeo. All the love I need is here at OVO. Yeah.
31 degrees. Literally, this never happens in Nova Scotia in early July. I don't think you understand.
Yo, look, I don't know if you like Timbits, but honestly,
I like Timbits?
You're so fit, you look like you can lose a few extra pounds, Kylie.
I don't care if I am or not, but I'm having one. I'm not kidding.
Alright, we're going to Salt Springs, Indiana, Pictou County.
And Pictou County. We're going off-roading.
Alright, boys.
We're going to some waterfalls, some cliff jumping, like legit. I'm always looking for a new cliff to jump off of.
Same. 80 foot, yeah.
Yeah, you were like, it's like a small car crash.
But it's like a peaceful serenity.
Oh, the day will come when we wake in the morning.
Kylie, you're stressing me. Go on, go.
Suddenly we're so grown up and we don't talk
Tree bending
so
101.
much anymore.
Oh no. Oh, Timmy, this is stupid. This is a bad idea. Such a bad idea. Yeah, I'm off duty though. This is so stupid. Oh my gosh.
We'll never be this young in our lives again.
This is Drysdale Falls.
We'll never be this dumb and inspired again. So come on and fill the cup and raise it up. We've been waiting hoping this is our time.
I'm sorry for your loss, Kylie. It's here to mine. Yo, come underneath the waterfall.
Small town streets, drinking cheap red wine, rolling in your work t-shirt, chilling and talking till it's light. Where the story ends, no one knows where we go.
I can't believe we did that.
No, it's crazy, huh? This is an intense current here.
It's not about the destination, it's about the journey.
The adventure only starts when the first thing goes wrong. So, being lost.
I'm a great navigator. We turn at the church. On Balmoral.
Sure! Man's like anticipating the turn. He's like almost gonna turn. He's like almost twisting it. I can almost see him twisting it already. Come on, bud. You can do it. Let's go, big boy. Come on, man. He's like waving it around. Let's go, big boy.
This is so upsetting.
Come on, big boy. Big boy. Go, go, go.
We'll never be this young in our lives again. We'll never
To me, if you
be inspired again. So come on and fill the cup and raise it up. We've been waiting up and this is our
Yes,
time.
Kylie. Kylie's treating me to some fish and chips. How's it going? Actually, it's amazing. I'm gonna end up eating
hot,
fries.
fresh,
There's
and
perfect
delicious.
amount of crispy. That's Nova Scotia right there, bud.
Take her for a rip here, bud.
Kylie's dressed, boy. Don't worry, we'll be here in the back next, boy. On the way back, we'll be late too, eh?
Stop.
Like, you might as well get fired.
This isn't funny. Stop.
Give me a word, any word. Ready?
Cheese.
Cheese. Got shooters, buzzle flashing. Cheese, boy. Yeah. I know this might sound cheesy.
Beats
Boy.
by Timmy.
You know that.
Not pick two.
You wish that I'ma pick you.
Yes, if you're
Right.
bored. Bye, Timmy.
See you, Riley. That was fun. Ooh, Riley. Hit the gas by accident. Thanks a lot. How far away is it anyway?
Oh, just 5 minutes.
Okay.
I can give you a shortcut to get to Charlottetown if you want.
Beautiful weather is relative. I don't.
Cheers.
Front porch sitting.
Sweet tea sipping.